Welcome to the Dify tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the platform and explain how to set up and manage your projects effectively. Whether you're just getting started or looking to explore advanced features, we'll cover everything you need to know to make the most out of Dify. Let's get started. Dify is a powerful platform that allows you to build, automate, and manage your workflows, particularly chatbots, with ease. It provides a wide range of tools to help you design, integrate, and monitor your chat flows while also enabling customization and optimization of your projects. One of its standout features is Orchestrate, a comprehensive tool for creating and managing chat flows. This feature gives you complete control over how your chatbots or workflows function, allowing you to build both simple and complex interactions. When you first log into Dify, you'll be greeted with a clean, intuitive dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a menu with several key sections: Orchestrate, Logs, Annotations, Monitoring, and more. These sections are designed to help you manage and optimize your projects from start to finish. Orchestrate is at the heart of Dify. It's the place where you can design and control the flow of your chatbots and workflows. By using Orchestrate, you can create a chat flow from scratch, add different types of blocks, and automate actions to guide the interaction between users and your system. A block could be something as simple as sending a message or as complex as querying an API. Blocks allow you to customize your chat flow to meet your specific needs, and connecting them is straightforward. You simply drag a connector from one block to another to define the flow of conversation. Within Orchestrate, you'll find several types of blocks to choose from. Message blocks allow you to send text to the user, while input blocks let you ask questions. Condition blocks enable decision-making based on user input, and action blocks allow you to trigger actions like sending emails, calling external APIs, or interacting with other systems. The flexibility of these blocks ensures that you can create a flow that suits your business logic and customer needs. Orchestrate also supports integrations with external applications, making it incredibly versatile. For example, if you want your chatbot to pull data from a CRM or process payments, you can add external blocks to your flow. To do this, you simply click on Add Block, select from a list of available integrations, and configure the app to perform the required task. This feature makes it easy to extend the functionality of your chat flow and connect it with other systems that your organization uses. Once you've created your chat flow and configured all the necessary blocks and integrations, it's important to test it to ensure it works as expected. Dify provides a handy preview feature that allows you to test your chat flow before publishing it. This lets you simulate interactions and check for any issues in your setup. It's a great way to ensure everything is working correctly and that your users will have a smooth experience when they interact with your chatbot or workflow. If you find any problems during the preview, you can easily go back and make adjustments. Once you're satisfied with the way your chat flow works, it's time to make it live. Dify allows you to publish your chat flow with just a few clicks. The Publish option makes your chatbot or workflow available to users, and any changes you make afterward can be quickly updated and republished. This means you can continuously improve and optimize your workflows without worrying about downtime. In addition to Orchestrate, Dify provides several other features that help you manage and track your projects more effectively. One of these features is API access, which is especially useful if you're a developer or need to integrate Dify with external systems. Through the API section, you can get the credentials necessary to authenticate your applications and interact with Dify programmatically. This feature lets you automate tasks, pull data from your projects, and create custom integrations that fit your needs. Dify provides detailed documentation to help you get started with the API, so even if you're new to programming, you can begin building powerful integrations. Another key feature is Logs. Logs give you a detailed record of all activities within your Dify account. Whether you're tracking changes, troubleshooting issues, or monitoring the progress of your projects, the Logs section is incredibly helpful. You can filter logs by date or activity type, making it easier to find specific actions or events. This is especially useful when reviewing the performance of your chat flows and ensuring that everything is functioning as expected. Annotations are another important tool within Dify. Annotations allow you to add notes or comments to specific parts of your chat flow or project. This is particularly useful if you're working on a team or need to leave instructions for future reference. By using annotations, you can ensure that everyone involved in the project understands its purpose and can follow the same guidelines. Annotations provide clarity and help avoid misunderstandings, making collaboration much easier. Dify also includes a powerful monitoring feature that helps you track the performance of your chat flows and projects in real time. You can monitor metrics such as task completion rates, user interactions, and the overall effectiveness of your workflows. Monitoring is essential for understanding how your projects are performing and identifying areas for improvement. Additionally, you can set up custom alerts to notify you if something goes wrong or if a project is falling behind schedule. This ensures that you can take immediate action if issues arise. Let's now talk about the Explore section. The Explore section is designed to help you discover new features, templates, and integrations that can enhance your chatbot and workflow design. This area provides quick access to a variety of tools and resources that can improve your workflow. If you're looking to try new features or find additional functionality that you haven't yet explored, the Explore section is the perfect place to start. You can find new templates, integrations, and other useful features that can make your chat flows even more powerful and efficient. Next, let's look at the Knowledge section. This area is designed to help you enhance the context and functionality of your project. While it doesn't offer traditional guides or tutorials, it provides powerful tools for working with data. Specifically, in the Knowledge section, you can import your own text data or write data in real time using a webhook for LLM, Large Language Model Context Enhancement. This means you can bring in external data that is relevant to your workflow or chatbot. By importing your own text data, you can give your chatbots or workflows access to specific knowledge, allowing them to respond more accurately based on that data. If you need to update the context dynamically, the webhook feature lets you send real-time data, ensuring your chatbot or workflow always has the latest information to work with. The Tools section is another important part of Dify. This section provides access to a wide range of tools that allow you to configure and manage your projects. Whether you need to adjust settings, update configurations, or add new elements to your chat flows, the Tools section makes it easy to make changes. You can fine-tune your chat flow setup, integrate external services, and customize the functionality to suit your specific needs. In conclusion, Dify offers a wide range of features that allow you to build, automate, and manage your chat flows and workflows. From the powerful Orchestrate tool to API access, logs, annotations, and monitoring, Dify provides everything you need to streamline your projects and create efficient, user-friendly experiences. The Knowledge and Tools sections offer the guidance and resources you need to make the most of the platform, while the Explore section helps you discover new features and integrations. Once you've set up and tested your chat flow, you can publish it with ease, and Dify ensures you can continue to refine and optimize your projects over time. I hope this tutorial has given you a clear understanding of how to use Dify and its features to their fullest potential. By following the steps outlined in this video, you'll be able to manage your projects efficiently and create chat flows that deliver a seamless experience for your users.